Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as it drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Ray Parlour will be one of Arsenal legends. So if Baba don't come and they talk about this Ronaldo to Arsenal and everything, how it would affect Arsenal negatively or positively. So they're going to ask and say, whether it will make sense, it will be good, it will do okay for Arsenal to sign Cristiano Ronaldo. So Baba can talk say it no go make sense at all for Arsenal to sign and say Ronaldo no go be good signing for Arsenal, because first of all, Ronaldo, that person they say don't come outside, they talk say he no wants to stay for bench. That's why they do all those things when they do, because they had the bencher. He's 37-year-old. They had the feel say as in age day now. See the thing they affect them. You no go feel the press, no go feel the track back, a lot of things. And the fact say Parlour on the talk say if Arsenal won't sell shirts, maybe won't make a lot of money with sales of shirts like Ronaldo shirts, and if we sign them for the financial aspect, for the financial part, but no be say for the footballing reasons, no go fit sign am say Gabriel Jesus now wey like Ronaldo not say no one stay for bench. Okay, wetin you can't do Gabriel Jesus? You go bench Jesus for Ronaldo wey go stay for 6 months. Say no go make sense. Make Arsenal come scatter their own dressing room, come make Gabriel Jesus very unhappy, because Jesus is coming from the Benjamin career from Man City where they make am vex. They play up to 30 games per season. That is why he come here, come become the main man, come be very happy. They perform for us. So now he wants to bring a Ronaldo to come and destabilize the dressing room. The body of the opinion say it no go make sense. It go cause more harm than good if Arsenal go sign Cristiano Ronaldo. So instead then they put in 2 cents on top this matter. So I don't know what you think, because me I don't look at from a different limelight. I don't subscribe to the line of thought about the talk, because Ronaldo don't want to stay bench and he no go like to come for Arsenal, can't stay for bench. It no go make sense for him. So away from that, yesterday England play Iran. So England win them 6-2, and the man of the match can't go to our star boy Bukayo Saka. So now everybody going to talk about Bukayo Saka. The way they play, I watched the match. The guy played fantastically well. He did very well, and he played so good on the night. Everybody going to be proud of him for the way he take play. Get, and we won't even go live that yesterday. Want to say, say before, we'll go live with the phone call package. So the audience know they hear the caller, and I mean they hear the caller. So I be one get one splitter. I don't buy the splitter already. So I be one go live. We could just run about. Jimmy I deliver the thing late, so match already starts before they deliver. That's why we no can go. But today, we go still go live. We go bring one topic you get. People say, "I take join Arsenal." You get. What to make you take become Arsenal fan? You get. Now your papa now carry you come, now your sister, now your brother, now your friend. I be just the fighting way you go support. Everybody get a story to tell. So today we go run one live for night. Say, "How you take join?" Make people call in, come tell us their own stories. Now what we go do today. Our Chris Sutton himself don't come outside the talk say Bukayo Saka gets man of the match yesterday, and it don't justify Gareth Southgate's decision to play Bukayo Saka ahead of people like Rashford, people like Phil Foden. So it makes sense, because the way the guy just set up, he play 4-2-3-1. He gets so you can play Harry Kane, can play Sterling, Bukayo Saka, and Mason Mount. Now, but the second half, that kind of 70 minutes, they're going to bring in all those kind of Rashford, all those kind of Phil Foden. You get so, but I never know whether that because Iran is a lesser opposition. That is why they start Bukayo Saka. Maybe against USA now, they will come to drop Saka, they play Phil Foden. I don't know what in the Gareth Southgate's mind, but the guy don't play Saka for this match, and Saka get man of the match because he's the only one that scored 2 goals, and we're very happy with him. The first goal na stunner, wipe palm, as in the second one, he dribble, dazzle, wipe palm, play sand, keep and not see anything. Everybody congratulate him, and this comes from the backdrop of the fact that for Euros, Saka missed penalty, everybody going to call for his head, and now he don't score in England, they celebrate. Everybody don't forget the past to get, so we are now in the present. Let's see how far this English side will go. And my video Ferdinand said don't come outside the talk say Saka dey demonstrates the fact say in top form. The Saka dey very devastating, you get. And for the fact say he don't help fire Arsenal to the top of the league, so he's filled with confidence. So that confidence now carry come for the World Cup, and England can enjoy the confidence of the boy. The boy they fire them. Even apart from the Ferdinand said, he are right. Even come outside the talk say in dey very surprised say Gareth Southgate go even play Bukayo Saka like he never saw it coming, because he feel say Gareth Southgate go dey under pressure to put a Phil Foden wey dey play for Man City or put a Raheem Sterling, because the guy get face for Raheem Sterling, even though Sterling is not even in top form, he's not playing so well at Chelsea compared to when they play for Man City. I don't just know why he just love that Sterling based on him past glory, so he can't put Sterling still score 1 goal, still tried. So in the surprise say they play Saka, and the Saka justify why they put him. I don't know why everybody get surprised they put Saka. Person they play well for Arsenal, they fire them, they dey top of the league. Why you go dey surprised? But at the end of the day, they play our star boy. Our Fabrizio Romano don come outside come let us know say Cody Gakpo go dey available for January for 50 million euros. In the past, Cody Gakpo don dey entice Manchester United saying would like to join them, but since when Man U can go sign Anthony, so Man U no go fit need am again unless he wan go stay for Benjamin, which he would not want to do. So now the guy don dey available for January, so they are looking at Arsenal. Say Arsenal fit come dey get the upper hand to come go sign Cody Gakpo because Ajax, that's Ajax, PSV, they need money bad, and they would like to sell am to use more money, go buy some kind of players, and they have financial problems from what we've heard. So they would like to sell one of their assets, and Cody Gakpo na their biggest asset they want sell to the EPL. So I just hope say Arsenal will get the guy or will get Mudryk. Like we need a wing, and the reason we feel leave that Mudryk matter be say the price tag. There's no way we are going to pay 85 million pounds. We Manchester United pay for Anthony, because that is what Nicolini, that is what the sporting director of Shakhtar Donetsk they request. They need, but we never know how everything goes. January just come quick, everything will be more clearer. Our Barcelona don dey set to sell Bellerin after 6 months when he joined them for the new camp. They say this guy na shit packer. How many games he don't even play? So they want sell him, and guess what? Guess who they buy him? Na Roma. Roma don't come and say them they interested in signing the guy. He got one Roma right back. We get issue with Mourinho. So Mourinho don't sack the guy. Say the guy don't go play for Roma again. That's why they are needing somebody that will come and deputize, come and slot in that right back position. So they don't identify Bellerin. So now Bellerin they won't go for. So well, we wish him all the best of luck. The guy in career, so you come for Arsenal, just shy. Now Arsenal and the airport this people career and they don't know before. So I can't look Arsenal next 5 games. For those who know they are aware, after this World Cup, a battle will go fight though, and this next 5 games it will determine a lot of things. Whether we will see there for that top 4, whether we will see there for the first. Because when you check our next 5 games now, we will play people like West Ham at home, we will play Brighton away, we will play Newcastle at home, we will play Tottenham Hotspur away, and we will play Manchester United at home. These 5 games now strong games. No one dey easy. Everybody dey tough, you get. So I don't know how we go to navigate through this turbulence where they come. It will change a lot of things for Arsenal. And thank God we are 5 points clear of Man City, so we no go dey under too much pressure. I don't know Man City next 5 games, but our own 5 games, I'm gonna die. Imagine playing the Tottenham Hotspur away, playing the Manchester United, when they play Newcastle again. These are like top 6 rivals now. Then Brighton we gonna be right now. No go easy. Come West Ham again. No go dey very easy. On paper, some of them they struggle, but now everybody will come back with a fully fit squad. No excuses, no story. So anyhow they go sharp, we just pray so we go more forward, more progressive. Our familiar setting, so they call the interview Bukayo Saka on the win with them win. So Baba Kali talk say in a good place, say they get the fans support, and they really needed a good start to get. And as they get a good start, they can't fire the goal, because I watched the match now. It took them the first 30 minutes, but they never even score now. It took them a long time. I think that kind of 40 something to 40 kini, like 10 minutes they scored 3 goals. Now Jude Bellingham first opened the scoring with another. As he opened and Saka bust himself back 2-0. Before you know, other people going to score. Last and 6-3 end. Nobody expected Iran to even score 2. But at the end of the day, they score. People going to blame Jordan Pickford, say why ain't letting at least for keep a clean sheet. Now no be Iran. But at the end of the day, Shamojo manage the 6-2. After the match, so Jack Wilshere will be one of Arsenal coaches, the youth coaches, come and Saka analyze the match with Saka complete. So Baba Kali talk say all these England fans and say they don't cool down like this. Now for the reason say the kind of talent we God just bless them with Bukayo Saka, like say whether they deserve them. Because what they talk say in the wonder whether the England fans realize how great a player Saka is, like the way the guy they play. Say don't be say because in the Arsenal youth coach, but some people feel say maybe they biased when they talk because in they affiliated with Arsenal, but not be so. Say sometimes when they sit down, when they use that tongue count their teeth. Not be the same boy that they abuse for Euros. When I say be this one, be that one, be black, I'm just want to use the kind of word they use for the guy for that time when miss penalty. But see now, so thing they do for now. But I gotta thank God for this guy. You. On a more positive note, so Joao Felix of Atletico Madrid don't inform Atletico say he go like to move, you get, and their sporting director Andrea Berta don't come outside to confirm and say Joao Felix is likely to move in January. They are not blocking him. Though Babacon talk say they will even prefer a loan move first before an outright transfer. Maybe the loan move now to just clear the guy head because in with their coach they get issue, they get small issue. So the place no can be comfortable for the guy again. That's why now Simone. That's why they can say, oh, let's go find my square root for January. You know the place they one kind of tension they there. So the sporting director refuse say make you just come out on a loan first, go clear your head. Then later you go come back. Just like Lukaku situation with Chelsea. Now Chelsea they block any future loan extension for Lukaku with Inter Milan because the new coach in one time he gets. So the new coach won't make him come back. That Potter won't make him come back because he say he know how to use the player. So now what they do Joao Felix now. So I know say Manchester United don't try to get him before, and now the reason say maybe if Ronaldo come out, they won't use and replace him. Even though they won't use Cody Gakpo to replace Ronaldo before. So maybe Cody Gakpo go play flank, Rashford go play 9. I don't know how they want to do it, but a lot of things are going to happen in January. People are going to strengthen because the EPL that you used to know before is different from the way it used to be. You have a Newcastle in the top 4 right now. You have Arsenal in the starting position. So who and who will end up in the top 4 to go to Champions League? You have people like Liverpool still struggling backward, they're behind. You have people like Spurs, they see they struggle. You have Manchester United, like everybody is fighting for that holy grail, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 position. We'll see how everything will go. According to Football London, so they can let us know say Arsenal they show interest in Cody Gakpo, and the fact say Edu Gaspar will be the new Arsenal sporting director. They interested, they plan on how to sign Cody Gakpo because they got one statistics we can come outside. They can talk say Cody Gakpo has 33 goal contributions in football in Europe this season. You get that's either in score or in assist, but at 33 this season alone, is the most productive winger in world football as of now, as of this season now. So and another thing some people are going to talk say that because of the kind of league when they play, he cannot come to the EPL and produce those kind of things. That's another argument for a difference of people. You are playing in the Farmers League, you are playing in the Eredivisie, in the Dutch League. How do you expect there are no tough defenders there? Come to the EPL and come and do the same, come and replicate those kind of statistics. And here you go, no say no dey easy. Anthony, when he was in the Eredivisie, he was a menace to a lot of defenders. Anthony in the EPL now, how many goals has he scored? That's the question you have to ask. That's why yesterday, when we dey watch ball, I dey outside, we dey watch ball for one viewing center like that. So some people can just say Foden is better than Saka. This I just look there, I just dey laugh. Number one, how many star players, how many stars dey for Arsenal like the way they for Man City? Because Foden they play with a lot of stars, so they assist and they make things easy for him. Make him go for another team. Now when they in the caliber of Man City, we'll see how good it's going to be because they vex say Gareth Southgate play Saka ahead of Foden. And so one person even comes and say Pedri they better than Saka. How can you bring out such a nonsensical argument? You are comparing the EPL with La Liga. Let Pedri come to EPL. What are they go breaking leg? It isn't La Liga when I'm going to do. So most people don't understand all these dynamics of the different leagues. You get, there is no guarantee. Even this Cody Gakpo with this Arsenal side, there is no guarantee that this guy will come and replicate the same form. Pepe did more than that. Pepe scored almost 20 something goals with Lille when they won the league, and we bought him for some £2 million. How did it go for us? We were struggling. Now the guy there on loan for OG Nice. So we cannot afford to repeat this same kind of mistake. So I know say people like Edu Gaspar, Richard Garlic, Vinay Van Kasham, all this kind of Arteta, everybody they use their tongue, count their teeth, know what they are doing. We can't afford to make a Pepe mistake again. We just shout since the push. Our Baba Saturn on day out of intensive care because I call him yesterday. I follow him talk. See Baba how far now what's the solve? How they go? So he's out of intensive care. Now he don't do for the normal ward. So by the grace of God, maybe this week, who knows? This week, next week, he's going to come out and go home. He gets when he go home, then one of these days will come live. Go say can thank everybody when they pray for him, all the well wishes, both for his birthday. Say can thank for now, saying that God go bless all of you now. And now as they go now, God go bless you now in Jesus' name and inshallah, amen. So if you don't watch us today, show check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. To start you signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.